Hey everyone, this is Pete from Athena Gaia. We are here in Athens and at the Yianni workshop. This is Gaudis, this is his son. We're all making some videos together to explain just a lot of new pieces that he's come out with. We asked him to come out with some new crosses because the ones he has have been like really popular for us. A lot of people buying them. So he came out with two new crosses. One of them is this guy right here, has an amethyst in it, but you can get ruby, you can get sapphire, you can get almost any stone you want. This design is interesting to me because he's actually gone with a non-perforated front. It's all just etched silver, but the side is perforated, and you can see that it's actually two layers of silver, and then it's got a perforated side going around the outside. It's got a perforated side going around the side. It's also got a perforated back. I mean, the back and the side are just as amazing as the front. In any case, you can ask for Yianni crosses and other pieces, other pendants, to have opening bails. This is one here. You just basically wrap that around a chain. Ready? Mm-hmm. And shut it like that, and it's on. That's really good if you have a chain with big clasps, or you have a station bracelet with big ornaments on it, and you just need to hook this on to the end. So that's just a really nice cross. We also have this new one coming out. It's just perforated all the way around. This is nice. This is very nice. Very interesting design. So that one's coming out too. And what else do we have? Look at this bracelet that he made.
That deserves its own.
This is just amazing. He's got diamonds in here. Now we have Yianni is starting to work with diamonds. Very nice. And these are blue sapphires. Okay. And he uses his Byzantine chain right here. He does that a lot with his bracelets. It's extremely comfortable. Very easy to wear. Wraps around. Does whatever you need it to do. Clasp it shut. There you go. And again, with Yianni, there's not a piece of this goes untouched. There's design work on the back. There's design work on the sides. It's really wonderful. The clasp. Look at the clasp. He uses the same clasp on some other bracelets, but it's well done. It's really nice. It's very sturdy. Really strong clasp. And if you like that opening bail that comes with our loop chains, this is Yianni's loop. Let me see, it just opens like that. Pop it open, and you can slide across in, do whatever you need. Like that. So this is new, just a new way of doing the chain. A little bit more formal, a little bit more elegant.
Lay it down on the table. Nicely.
Nicely. So we're looking forward to getting all of this stuff photographed and put in the store so you can enjoy it yourself soon. Right?
Right.
Right.